Good morning, dear students, and welcome back to the English literature class. Today we are going to learn a very interesting grammar lesson. So, are you ready?
Yes.
Very good. So, here we go. But before we go into this lesson, I want to ask two questions. Only two. Pakka promise. Two questions. Okay? And it's very easy to answer. Okay? So let me just ask. Okay? And take guesses. Okay? Of you. Okay. So here we go. This is my left hand. Okay? This is my left hand. And on my left hand, there is something. Can you all guess what is this?
Watch.
Very good. This is a wristwatch, a digital watch, or you can call in modern times now also a smart band. Okay. Now this smart band is monitoring all my sleep, pulse rate, heart rate, and etc. Now, but the main feature of this watch is, I want you all to guess. What does a wristwatch will tell me when I'm putting on? Yeah.
Time.
Very good. Time. What is the time? Can you all see right now? Okay. If you all can't see, I'll help you all. Okay. It's 11 o'clock. So it's 11 a.m. So its main feature is to tell the time. So we are going to learn, children, today the interesting topic in grammar today, that is on time. Let's write your time. T. Okay, it's okay. Okay. Now, what is the synonym of time? The synonym of time is tense. Okay, children. Now, the root word of the tense is coming from the French word, okay? Okay, that is tense, T-E-N-S. The classic French will tell you tense, which means time, and the Latin word, that is tempus, which is again time. Okay, and the English word is used as T-E-N-S-E, tense, which is again time. Okay, children? So, we are here with a word called tense. We are going to learn, children, what?
Tense.
Very good. So, tense. So, what is the meaning of this tense? Okay. Now, in the English dictionary, you will find there are two meanings of tense. Okay, children? Okay. So, one of the meaning of the tense is getting nervous, okay, getting very worried, okay, getting very tensed, okay, so nervous, worried, okay, you are getting very stressed. Another word. So, what is all this telling you about tense? But we are not talking about this tense, okay? We are talking about another meaning of tense, which is called as time, which is giving us the reference of time, okay, reference of time of action. Okay, in another way, okay, another meaning of tense is, in another word I'm putting in a grammatical prospect, okay, tense is a form of a verb, okay, it's a form of a verb denoting time of an action. happened, okay, time of an action happened in the past, present, and in the future. So what is tense, children? The meaning of tense is a form of a verb denoting time of an action which has happened in the past, present and future. Okay, or future. Let's write or future. Okay, so time. Okay, now we see now right now I'm talking to you children. Okay, so this is my present tense. Okay, so value of present tense is what, children? 1 second. 1 second ago what I was doing. And 1 second later what I'm going to do. So this second is my present, and after 1 second, that is just before the 1 second, it becomes my past, and after the 1 second, what I will do, it becomes my future. So we are going to study, children, about the time, okay, the action, okay, time of action, okay. Now the time of action, we will see that the time is divided into 3 parts. Just now we learned also, what are the 3 parts, children? What are the 3 parts? Present,
Present tense, past tense, and future tense.
and future tense. Very good. Now, this is divided into 3 parts. What is divided into 3 parts? The tenses. Okay? Tenses have 3 parts. Can you see here a little bit here? Yeah? I'm just going to tell you all the story of a grandmother. You like story, children? Yeah, we all love story. Yes? So, the story goes like this. Grandmother tense had triplets. Okay, children? You know what is triplets? Okay. When a mother is having a baby, only a single baby, it's called singleton. When at a time 2 children are born, 2 offsprings are born, they are called as twins. And 3 at a time, it is called as triplet. 4 at a time, it is called as quadruplets. So, here we have a story, grandmother tense was having triplets. The name of the triplets were, can you see here? Present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay, children? So these 3 names she kept. Now, they got married, they became a mother, okay? And they got quadruplets. Okay, you can see 4 at a time, it's called as quadruplets. So they also gave names to their quadruplets. Okay, yes. So the first one, okay, simple present tense. Second one, present continuous tense. Third one, perfect present tense. Fourth one, perfect continuous tense. And then we see even past tense, 4 children, yes. Simple past tense, or it's also called as indefinite. Also, it is the second one, past continuous tense. The third one, perfect continuous tense. The fourth one, perfect continuous past tense. Then we have also future tense, okay. Future tense having 4 children. What are the names of the 4 children? Simple future tense, future continuous tense, perfect future tense and perfect continuous future tense. So these are the form of a verb. Okay, these are the forms of the verb. Here we see, last time we wrote the definition also. Form of a verb denoting the time of present, past and future. So here we are with the present, past and future. Okay, so what does present tense means? Okay, present tense will tell you what is happening right now. So we will write here what is happening right now. What is happening right now is the present tense. Okay, so what is happening currently? It is called as present tense. Then what is past tense? Yes? Any guesses? Past tense? What do you mean by past tense? Past tense means it has already happened. The action that has already happened. So what has happened? Okay, already happened. Already. Let's write already. What has already happened, okay, is called as your past time, past tense. Then future tense. What do you mean by future tense now? Yes, future tense means the action which will happen in future, will happen later. So, what is right? What will happen later? Let's write later, in the future. So what will happen later? Okay. Now this is what is happening right now is your present tense. What has already happened before, okay, is called your past tense. What will happen later is called your future tense. So we also have some words to remember here, okay. So present tense, for example, we will learn in the present tense that now, today, okay, just now we wrote over here number 1, now, today, okay, every day, okay. So these are all the words which we should know about the present tense, okay. Anything else you want to add over here? Yes, daily also we can write here. Daily. So these are all the words of the present tense. Let us remember past tense. What does the past tense has? Now we also have here before. Okay. Here one more thing you can write here yesterday. Tomorrow. Sorry. Today, yeah, we wrote today. So here we can write in the past tense, children. What do we write in the past tense? Anything? Any guesses coming for past tense? Before, earlier, recently, previously, a while ago, okay, yesterday, okay, then a month ago, a year ago, or long ago, okay, whatever ago if you put, it becomes a past tense, okay. Then next, future tense, okay, future tense will tell you will, okay, later, not yet, tomorrow, okay, near future, okay. So these are all words which we should know, okay, while we are learning the past tense, present tense and the future tense, okay. Anything else you all are remembering here? Okay, you can also write someday, which I will do it someday. So, here we are with the present tense, past tense and the future tense. Now suppose if I have to say, I write today. Okay? So if I write, I write today. Okay, children? What will come here? I wrote today? Yes? No, I wrote yesterday. So, in the future tense, what we will write? The same sentence, I wrote yesterday. You have to add your will. I will write, instead of yesterday or today, what will come? I will write tomorrow. So that is all about your present tense, past tense and future tense. Okay? In the next class, we are going to learn the forms of verb. Okay, children? Which is the main parts of the tenses. Okay? So today just an introduction. We learned about tenses. Okay? We learned about tenses. Yes, children? What did we study? Let's recapitulate. Once again, what did we study? Tenses? Yes? We studied tenses is a form of a verb which denotes the time of an action in the past tense, in the present tense, in the future tense. Okay? Then we also learned what is present tense. Present tense is what is happening right now. Okay? For example, today, every day, okay? Daily, okay? These are all the example of present tense. Then what is past tense? Past tense is something, okay, what has already happened before. So whatever has happened before, we call as a past tense. Okay? Then we also have the word to remember: earlier, recently, previously, a while ago, yesterday. Then we also have, children, future tense. We studied what is future tense, children. Future tense is something which tells us the action that will happen later, in the near future. Okay? Tomorrow. Okay? Later. Not yet. Someday. Near future. Okay? So these are all words of the future tense. So children, we finished our grammar lesson. I hope you have grasped something out of this. We will learn tomorrow the very important topic which is called forms of verb. Okay? Forms of verb tenses. Okay? Which we already know by here, this chart, children. This 4 children. So 4 forms. So total we have 12 forms of tenses. Okay? Which we will learn in the next class. Till then, thank you and goodbye, children. Take care.